Yo, set piece chaos back again after a thrilling 24 hours in the world of football. भाई चार मैचेस, चार डिफरेंट आउटकम्स, चार डिफरेंट स्टोरीज, चार डिफरेंट इमोशंस. One historic moment, one controversial moment, one thriller and one upset. Let's get right into it. So, पहला मैच France versus Senegal, one of the favorites to win the World Cup versus the African champions. The final score 3-1. And guess what? Mbappe just made history again. बट अगर आप पूरा मैच ढंग से देखो तो यू वुड नो कि फ्रांस वर टेरेबल इन द फर्स्ट हाफ. दे वर शैम्बॉलिक. एक भी चीज़ उनका प्लान के हिसाब से नहीं जा रहा था. आप भले उनकी पासिंग बोल लो, एग्जीक्यूशन बोल लो, शॉट्स बोल लो. सेनेगल had many chances कि वो फ्रांस पे स्कोर कर पाती and the score line would have been very different. If you ask me genuinely, first half was kind of boring. I was expecting better from France and then the second half came and they delivered. दो प्लेयर सेकेंड हाफ में आई डोंट नो सुपर सेन मोड चले गए, बांका एक्टिवेट कर लिया, आप कुछ भी कह लो. माइकल ओलीजे एंड किलियन एम्बापे, especially Michael Olise, the amount of chances he was creating for Kylian Mbappe, वो Olise उसको फीड करे जा रहा था भाई. All Mbappe had to do was convert those chances and which he did obviously, but special appreciation to Michael Olise despite not being on in the score sheet. Bro had the biggest impact in the game. Facts. 66th minute पे Michael Olise sends a beautiful ball, finds Kylian Mbappe, and Kylian Mbappe scores. Then उसके just बाद 82nd minute पे Rabiot sends a clean through ball and Bradley Barcola with a very clinical clean finish. ब्रैडली बारकोला मोस्ट प्रोबेबली सीजन एंड पे वर्ल्ड कप के बाद पीएसजी छोड़ के जाने वाले हैं. एंड आई नो मैनी गुड टीम्स अक्रॉस यूरोप would be dying to get their hands on this particular player. पीएसजी अच्छा खासा पैसा निकालने वाली है ब्रैडली बारकोला से. बट अगर आपको लगता है कि 82nd मिनट पे ही चीज़ें ख़त्म हो गई, नो, यूर रॉन्ग. 90th मिनट पे एम्पायर स्कोर्स, द स्कोर इज़ 2-1. मे बी आपको लग रहा होगा कि इट इज़ क्लोज. 96th minute, enter Kylian Mbappe. A beautiful shot from 30 yards out, smashes it into the net. Final score 3-1. इस मैच का टेक अवे क्या है पता है? France had their weaknesses and I really hope they work on it as soon as possible. But Senegal put up a decent fight. Second half changed everything. एंड फॉर दोज वंडरिंग कि किलियन एम्बापे का गोल मारना इतना ज़्यादा हिस्टोरिक क्यों है, with these two goals, Kylian Mbappe is now officially France all-time top scorer with 58 goals. And उसका वर्ल्ड कप रन हम सभी को पता है. 2018 में उसने जो वर्ल्ड कप रन चालू करा था, you know what he has done in 2022, you know what he has done in 2018. 2018 he was the winner. In 2022 he almost changed the entire script all by himself. And now again, whenever it's a World Cup, Kylian Mbappe steps up like no other player has ever done. Now coming to the next match, Argentina versus Algeria, 3-0. And let's be honest, it wasn't about the match. It was all about one particular player, maybe arguably the greatest of all time, Luis Lionel Andres Messi. 3-0, a World Cup hat trick at the age of 38, his first ever World Cup hat trick at the age of 38, and the oldest player to score a brace in a World Cup match. Not just that, this was his 200th appearance for the Argentinian national team. Although the game started in an equal footing, मेसी का एक गोल ऑफसाइड कंसिडर हो गया, चियाबी ने एक गोल मारा था वो भी ऑफसाइड हो गया. बट इट वाज क्लियर कि अर्जेंटीना के पास अच्छा खासा मोमेंटम था भाई. 17th मिनट, अ ब्यूटीफुल कर्लिंग शॉट फ्रॉम लियो मेसी, प्रोबेबली हिज सिग्नेचर गोल. एंड आई डोंट नो टीम्स को ये बात समझ में क्यों नहीं आता कि डी के आसपास आप मेसी को उतना स्पेस अलाउ नहीं कर सकते। डी रीजन के आसपास, इफ लियोनेल मेसी हैज द बॉल एंड इफ ही हैज द स्पेस टू शूट, 99% इट्स अ गोल। 1% कि भाई वो खुद मिस कर दे, सेव तो नहीं हो रहा। व्हाट अ कर्लिंग ब्यूटीफुल फिनिश बाय लियो मेसी। 60th मिनट, लूका जिदान ने एक बढ़िया शॉट स्टॉप करा था फ्रॉम मैकलिस्टर, बट ही वाज अनेबल टू get a grab of the ball, and Leo Messi was in the right place at the right time and he scored it in. And at this point, he is tied with Miroslav Klose as the highest World Cup goal scorer with 16 goals. And then comes the 76th minute, hat trick, and that's the end of the game. But एक चीज बहुत pretty much evident है कि even at the age of 38, even after playing for Inter Miami in the MLS, Leo Messi is still one of the, if not the, best players in the entire world. A player जो खुद के दम पर गेम्स डिसाइड कर सकता है. Leo Messi has always been and he still is magical, special, alien, goat, whatever you call him. But on the other hand, अगर एक goat का गेम इतना बढ़िया गया, I cannot say the same thing for another goat. We are talking about Portugal versus DR Congo, and we are talking about Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro. I really wish कि जिस टाइप का इम्पैक्ट मेसी के खुद के ओपनिंग मैच में हुआ था, वो सेम क्रिस्टियानो को भी हो पाता. Well, this match is also kind of historic for DR Congo side. This was their first appearance since 1974, and tonight they got their first ever World Cup point. 6th minute, जॉन एवेस विद अ क्लियर हेडर. बंदा इतना ज़्यादा हाइट वाला नहीं है, फिर भी उसके हेडर गोल्स इतने कमाल के रहते हैं. ही इज़ ऑलवेज एट द राइट प्लेस एट द राइट टाइम एंड क्लीन हेडर. By this point, Portugal had the momentum, and by this point, everything was going well for them. Chance creation, possession, shots taken, momentum उनके साथ था. But then, 45th minute, Visa's header, and what a wonderful cross by Musaka. Boom, 1-1 in the halftime. और जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, Portugal had 93.9% passing accuracy. This is the best passing accuracy that they had in their entire World Cup history. That tells you a lot. That tells you कि पोर्तुगल के पास अच्छा खासा मोमेंटम था. They could have increased the scoreline. They could have won the game. काफ़ी सारे डिसअलाउड गोल्स भी हो गए हैं. जॉव कैंसेलो का एक बढ़िया बाइसिकल किक था, दैट वाज गिवन ऑफसाइड. Even Ronaldo had chances in the 64th and 70th minute. I don't know, man. बड़े भैया needs to understand कि if he is not scoring, उनका गेम में उतना ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट नहीं आ रहा. मे बी ही इज़ ड्रैगिंग द मैन, मे बी हिज प्रेजेंस इज एन एसेट, बट the chances that this particular team creates for Cristiano, he has to take those chances if he wants his hands on that particular trophy. Portugal needs to change and needs to be clinical with the amount of chances they create. This is the biggest upset I believe we have seen so far. Ronaldo on his sixth World Cup, just as Leo Messi, could not deliver, could not win the game for his nation. I am not expecting him to win it each and every time. The guy is 41 years old. But still, if it's a World Cup, you got to step up in the big matches in this particular big tournament. DR Congo showed courage, DR Congo showed heart, they earned themselves a point, and that means everything to their nation. Now, coming to the final match, England versus Croatia. This one was a barnstormer. 12th मिनट हैरी केन की पेनल्टी, ऑल्दो पेनल्टी डिसअलाउड करी गई थी, वापस से ली गई, बट स्टिल इट्स हैरी केन. Harry Kane scores his penalty. He is one of the best penalty takers in the world of football right now, and this has been the case for the past 2-3 years or maybe more, even 5-6 years. 36th minute for Croatia, Baturina smashes it in, and it was a clean and a very good goal. It was a very very good goal. आपने अगर हाइलाइट्स नहीं देखी है, इस गोल को मैं बहुत हाईली रेट करूंगा. It was a clear smash. But again, 42nd minute, इंग्लैंड की डिलीवरी डिक्लन राइस की फ्रॉम अ कॉर्नर एंड हैरी कैन आउट ऑफ नोवेयर ही कम्स इन एंड स्कोर्स अ clinical header 2-1 England to Croatia. But right in the 45th minute near the halftime, Musa scores a volley 2-2. What a thrilling, entertaining first half. But the entire script changed in the second half when Jamal Musiala got a clean ball from Harry Kane and he almost ran from the half line to the goalkeeper and smashed it in. What a clear goal from Jude Bellingham. And with that, almost three Real Madrid players, not almost, three Real Madrid players have scored in this particular World Cup: Vinicius, Mbappe, and Jude Bellingham. They are on a rock and roll run. And finally, 85th minute पे साका सेटअप करते हैं रैशफोर्ड को. रैशफोर्ड drills it in. He still has that killer finishing instinct. 4-2. If you ask me, this was a thriller, this was entertaining, this was fulfilling. And if you look at it, Tuchel's England is dangerous, they are entertaining, but at the same time, Tuchel has proven कि वो knockout competitions में he can do well. So maybe is it coming home this year? So video के end पे what did we learn from these four matches? Mbappe is creating history and he will keep breaking records. Messi, at the age of 38, is still special. Ronaldo could not change the game for Portugal. England is showing ruthlessness. Harry Kane is the most informed player, the best player in the world right now. And मैंने ये पहले भी बोला है कि if you keep the trophies, the team trophies aside, लुइस सुआरेज बेंजिमा एंड लिवेंडोस्की जिस कन्वर्जेशन में रहते हैं फॉर द बेस्ट स्ट्राइकर of this particular generation, Harry Kane would have been above Luis Suarez and Karim Benzema, at least for me. But again, at the end of the day, football is a team sport and team trophies count the most. And that is the only reason कि Harry Kane, the best striker of this generation के conversation में पीछे रह जाते हैं. And with that, guys, that was the chaos for today. Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. No filter zone. See you.